This is another Sargent LFIC course sent to me by C Studio. I don't know if there's anything special about this one. It might just be standard. It has different wording on it, but it doesn't have like the side pins or a check pin or anything like that. To try to get into it, I'm going to use the multi-pick top of the keyway and 0.8 millimeters and just the multi-pick standard hook in 23 thousandths. So there's 1, 2, nothing on 3, nothing on 4. 5, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And it opens, and that is the Sargent signature LFIC.